Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Cloud VM Full Guide. Start by creating a project and enabling billing, then open the Compute Engine console. Click Create Instance, pick a machine type and zone, and choose an OS image or custom image. Configure your boot disk, set network and firewall rules, and add SSH keys. Finally, review settings and click Create to launch your new VM instance. Now focus on networking and security for your VM instances. Set firewall rules to open only required ports such as 22 for SSH and 80 or 443 for web traffic. Use VPC networks and subnets to segment environments and control routing. Assign service accounts and IAM roles with least privilege to reduce attack surface. Consider enabling OS login and regularly rotate SSH keys, or use IAP for secure, auditable access to instances. Next, adopt maintenance habits that keep VMs healthy and durable. Schedule snapshots and backups to protect data and create images for fast recovery. Use stack driver monitoring and alerts to watch CPU, memory, and disk thresholds and respond before issues escalate. Resize disks or machine types as demands grow, or configure auto-scaling on instance groups to match traffic. Regularly apply OS updates and reboot during maintenance windows to minimize disruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.